Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your account information with Navy Federal step by step clearly. To begin fixing your account information with Navy Federal, visit the official Navy Federal website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the option labeled Update Personal Information. Click on it to access the area where you can change your details. Review the information currently on file. Decide which specific information you need to update. Enter the new information into the appropriate fields. Double-check that all entries are accurate. After confirming your updates, look for the Save Changes button. Click on Save Changes to ensure your updates are recorded. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your information has been successfully updated. If you encounter any issues during this process, contact Navy Federal's customer service. You can reach customer service via phone or through the secure messaging feature on their website. Follow the prompts provided by customer service to resolve any problems. Once your information is corrected, you will receive an email confirmation. Keep this confirmation for your records in case you need to reference it later. Finally, log out of your account to complete the process securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.